Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to activate two-factor authentication, that is the 2FA feature on your Pi wallet. And why do you need to do this? Because the 2FA feature is a feature that guarantees the security of your Pi wallet, which is to say, even if somebody steals your passphrase, with the 2FA feature on your Pi wallet, the person will not be able to log in into your wallet, because when the person tries to log in, he or she will be prompted to provide a 2FA code that will be sent to an email address that you will use to activate this feature on your Pi wallet, which I will show you as the process unfolds. Good. And if the person is not able to provide that code, the person will not be able to log into your wallet. And if the person is not able to log in into your wallet, that means the person cannot steal anything from you. This is how 2FA feature guarantees the security of the assets inside your Pi wallet to protect them from being stolen. Good. And also, if you're a pioneer out there and you are yet to receive your second Pi migration, please follow these steps and activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. That could be the reason why you've not received it yet, because one of the major criteria to receive your second Pi migration is activating this email-based 2FA that I'm about to show you now on your Pi wallet. Once you activate it on your Pi wallet successfully, you will see your second migration will hit your wallet in no time from the day you activated it. So please follow these steps as I will show you now and activate 2FA on your Pi wallet to protect it, one, and secondly, to qualify to receive your second Pi migration, because it has been rolling out for a while now, and so many pioneers who have done the 2FA thing have started receiving theirs. So do yours to receive yours also. Good. And before we proceed, I would say, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscription button to stay subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post good videos as this. Good. Now let's proceed. The first thing you have to do when you want to activate this 2FA on your Pi wallet is you navigate to your Pi browser. This is mine here. You open it. And please, whatever I am going to show you now, make sure you do it inside your Pi browser, the one linked to your Pi mining app on your phone. Don't do it any other place for your safety. Thank you. All right. Once the Pi browser has opened like this, please also allow it load very well. The next thing you do is you click on this home button at the center part of the screen to reveal the address bar of your Pi browser. Good. And once you review the address bar like this, what you do is just clean up everything there. Just clean up everything there. And then type in this URL, Mainnet -config .web.app. Good. The URL is Mainnet -config .web.app. If you like, you can add HTTPS before the Mainnet. That is https://mainnet-config.web.app, or you can just type it in like this, mainnet-config.web.app. Whichever one you choose, it will go. And you can see I have displayed the URL on the screen so you don't make mistakes. And also I will put it on the description of this video. So when you are ready to do yours, just go to the description of this video. You will see this URL there. Copy it exactly and come to your Pi browser's address bar and paste it in there and navigate to the page. Good. Now, once you've pasted it in like this, all you need to do is you click on enter to navigate to the page and allow it to load. Beautiful. And once it has loaded like this, all you need to do is you scroll down to the down part of the screen to this button that says activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. Good. When you want to do yours, you can take your time and read everything on the page to understand how the 2FA protects your Pi wallet and how it works. But for now, I will just be showing you how to activate it on your Pi wallet, because that is what really matters. Good. Now, the next thing you do is you click on activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. Click on it. Beautiful. And on this page, this is the authentication page where you authenticate your Pi wallet with the system to activate the 2FA on it. And how you do that is you input the 24-word phrase of the wallet you want to activate this 2FA feature on. The particular wallet that has your assets that you want to protect with 2FA feature, that is the one you input its 24-word passphrase into this box to configure it and authenticate your wallet with the system and have this 2FA activated on it. I have mine copied already on my clipboard. All I need to do is I click on the box and now press it again and click on paste to paste in the phrase. Good. And once I've pasted in like this, the next thing I'm going to do is I will click on this button that says authenticate with passphrase to proceed. Beautiful. This is the email verification page where you will link an email address to your Pi wallet, and that email address will be used for the 2FA verification codes. Whenever anytime tries to log into your Pi wallet from a Pi browser that is not yours, that is not this one you're doing this thing on, the person will be prompted to provide a 2FA verification code that will be sent to this email address you put here now. Now, if the person doesn't have access to this email and cannot provide this code, then that person will not be able to log in into your Pi wallet, which means the person cannot steal from you. Good. Now, I'll go ahead and input my own email address into these boxes. Follow me. Okay, I will also enter it on the second box to confirm it. Good. And once you've entered the email address like this, the next thing you're going to do is you click on this button here that says send verification code to receive the code. You allow it. Beautiful. Verification code has been sent to my email. Now, what I'm going to do next is to navigate to my email address to get this code and input it here to finalize this setup. Follow me to my email address. This is my email here, Gmail. I'll click on it. Beautiful. I got the code. You can see it here. Pi Network Support 2FA verification code. Good. Now, all I'm going to do is to open this email and get the code. Now you can see the code there, 408382. Good. Now what I'll do next is to long press on the code to copy it. I'll copy it. Then I'll head back to the page and paste in the code here. Good. And once I've pasted it like that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the button that says verify and activate 2FA on this wallet. So once I click that, it will finalize this setup for me. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we wait while you verify. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I have successfully activated this 2FA feature on my Pi wallet. Like you can see it here, 2FA successfully activated. Good. Now nobody can steal from me again because I have activated 2FA on my Pi wallet. Even if you steal my passphrase now, you will not be able to log in into my wallet because you will not be able to provide the 2FA code that you'll be asked to provide when you try to log in. And that is how this thing guarantees the security of your Pi wallet and also positions you to receive your second Pi migration if you've not received it. And that brings us to the end of the video. I would say if you found this video interesting or helpful in any way, please like it and also share it to other pioneers out there. Let them be aware of this 2FA and activate it on their Pi wallets immediately because it is needed for the security of their wallet. And also subscribe to my channel, don't forget, and hit the notification bell so you anytime I post good videos like this, you'll be notified to be one of the persons to see the information I'm sharing. And that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.